At M.A.R.S.H Grocery on South Broadway, the price tag on your food isn't necessarily what you'll be paying. But it's not a mistake. It's by design.
So they can pay as much as 20% below. I mean, obviously they can go as high as they want to, but 20% above is the range, our suggested range, with the idea that we can break even by people who can afford to pay food. It's a redistribution of wealth to those who are less able to do so.
Beth Neff is a co-founder of M.A.R.S.H. The store is a multi-stakeholder cooperative that sells groceries on a sliding scale. This means customers can choose how much they pay for M.A.R.S.H's goods.
All of the workers and the products are organized in a cooperative nature, which basically means that we're not focused on profit, we're focused on mutual benefit.
One of Neff's goals for the store is to provide healthy, natural groceries to those who wouldn't normally have access to them.
The food that is made available in those neighborhoods is often like through a convenience store. You know, it's packaged food, high sugar, high salt, and so people are basically subject to getting food where it's most convenient, and those are not the most nutritious choices.
This is why M.A.R.S.H supplies food from community gardens and eco-friendly providers at their location in Carondelet.
Broadway, obviously being a disinvested commercial area, doesn't have a lot of food access. So the federal government chooses different rates for how your neighborhood offers food access to people. We fall into the category that made us eligible for a grant from the USDA and the program is called the Healthy Food Funding Initiative.
Neff says M.A.R.S.H is focused on increasing resilience within the community.
The whole idea is to have generative social practices so that we're not having an economy that extracts from the environment and from ecology and exploits humans, but one that is designed for mutual benefit or is generative.
For Living St. Louis, I'm Veronica Moheski.